Hey guys, so I just got the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat in the mail. It's a 3-in-1 ceramic infused waterless wash, shine, and coat. So about to try it out. If you haven't checked out Shine Armor, check out their website, shinearmor.com. They've got all kinds of cleaning products for your vehicle: spray wax, interior cleaner, leather cleaner, scratch repair, tire shine, just to name a few. Definitely check them out. So I just got this in the mail. It includes 2 microfiber cloths and the Fortify Quick Coat Waterless Wash, Shine, and Protect. So you might be able to tell my car definitely needs some cleaning. Before I get started, just want to let you know I'm going to put a link to this product in the description in the comments below. Go check it out, get some of your own. Leave me a comment, let me know how well it works for you. It's actually got a pretty nice scent to it as well. I can smell it. So the directions say to spray onto a damp microfiber cloth and also spray onto the part of the vehicle that you're going to clean. So what you want to do is wipe it down, and then before it dries, get the other dry microfiber cloth. Then wipe it down where you wiped with the damp microfiber cloth. That already looks so much better. Ignore these are paint chips. You can almost instantly tell how much shinier it is just with that quick application. It leaves a streak-free, ultra glossy shine. You can actually use this on glass, paint, metal, and plastic, so pretty much all over your car. So I'm switching cars just to give you another perspective. As you can tell, this needs to be cleaned as well, so I'm going to try that same procedure on this. So this isn't dirt, this is actually paint damage right here, but you can clearly see the difference. You can see exactly where I stopped cleaning up here. In just a few seconds, really gives off a real shiny look. Not only does it have the shine, but it's got the smooth, slick feel, like you just waxed it. Clean off this logo right here. That's real time, not sped up. It's that quick, and it makes a dramatic difference. See the dirt on the bumper right here versus where I just cleaned. Literally only a few seconds, and it looks like it's been washed and waxed. I'm gonna try it on this window. This window needs some cleaning. See if it leaves a streak-free shine on the windows as well. I'm definitely impressed. That's way better than Windex. Some of these dirt spots you still see, that's on the inside, but I can clearly tell a huge difference on the outside. No streaks, and it protects as well. As you can see, I'm doing this and there's no streaks from my fingers. I'm genuinely impressed. Like I said, this is better than Windex for your windows, and only takes a few seconds. You don't have to spray your whole car down and then apply soap, wash it off, then dry it. It's like all that rolled into one and only takes a few seconds. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan of this product. And Shine Armor, shout out to them. You guys got a good product here. I'm about to wipe down my whole car with it, windows and all. I'll do a time lapse so you guys can see, and then I'll do a walk around to show you the finished product. And again, I just want to remind you, I'm going to put a link to this product in the description in the comments below. Go get some for yourself. Fusion kit approved. You can throw one of these in your trunk and a couple microfiber cloths. Just be ready to wash your car at any time without using and wasting water and soap, making a big mess. Hands down, this is going to be the quickest I've ever washed my car.